To ogai mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya moluor Amolo Odinga lando kwe e kindeni ma jo Kenya koro rito gi siro ahinya ni to ng'ama bende koro dhi bedo jatendgi kendo kuom thuolo mar higni 5 mabiro. Raila ne loso e kanisa mar ACK St Francis Karen kama bende koro duoko erokamano ne jo Kenya kuom bedo ka siko gi kwe gi nyaka ni chakoro go kura. Onyiso Geno ni koro duoko mar yiero ni dhi bedo maber ahinya kendo pime mana kaka wuoth mabende ne en mar Israel kane gichomo Kanan, wuoth man gi Geno kendo wuoth mabende koro dhi tero jo Kenya kama kare.
The times to Sundays have not been around, and that's why I have not been here. Those who have been members of this church for a long time know that we have been here, and even during the reconstruction of this church, I worked very closely with the other members of the church here. And we are happy to be back here. The last time I was in this church, one of our members with whom we had been praying for a long time, Mrs. Geno, had passed on. Yes. And we came here to bid her farewell. But then you continued with life. I'm happy to see so many familiar faces and some also new faces here. And we want to thank the Lord for having brought us this far. As everybody who is in Jerusalem knows where we are, where we come from as a country, except unless you are a visitor in Jerusalem. But we want to thank the Lord for having brought us so far. We've gone through a very challenging period in our country, going through election campaigns, but we also want to thank the Lord that the campaigns have been peaceful, and the elections also have been peaceful so far. And we just want to hope that this peace will prevail even after the elections are over. Because we are part of and parcel of one nation, and we want Kenya to be even stronger going forward. I have just a message I want to share, and I will quote from St. Francis of Assisi, and which he says, "Make me an instrument of your peace." And this is what he says: "Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there's hatred, let me sow love. Where there's injury, pardon. Where there's doubt, faith. Where there's despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. And where there's sadness, joy." That is what St. Francis of Assisi said at that time. And I think that those words rang very true to our situation here today. And that is what me as a person want to see happen. That we become an instrument to bring peace, to heal, to reunite, and to keep the hope alive for our country. We sang our national anthem, which says that, "Lord, bless this land of ours. Justice be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace and liberty. Plenty be found within our borders." And in the Bible, the land where plenty is found is called Canaan. And that's why we said we in the Azimio la Umoja Kenya want to take our people across River Jordan into Canaan.